Hello everyone, I'm Akshat Bharadwaj. For the ones who don't know me yet, I have taken over as a business line manager for Chicago Pneumatic Tools Division. I hope that you, your loved ones and your colleagues are safe. I can honestly say that I have never experienced an event with such a drastic impact on the way we live or the way we work. COVID-19 has really made us understand the importance of two words, that is being agile and resilient. Now, more than ever, we must do the right things and be prepared to take steps beyond what we are required to do. Our core values, our group core values, interaction, innovation and commitment keeps on guiding us during this new way of working as well. First and foremost, we would like to thank you for what you have done already to weather this crisis and to get our company prepared to cope with the situation that we all are in currently. Your commitment makes the all difference. In the current situation, it is vital to stay digitally connected to your colleagues, connected to your customers, and connected with your communities. What they are experiencing, how they are taking care of these situations, and how best they can be supported from our side is what I would like to hear from all of you. In regards to business, well, Chicago Pneumatic is not immune to so-called after effects of COVID-19. Our business has surely gone down. We have seen lows during these past few months as compared to past few years. The situation is really alarming for all of us. However, I'm still confident, I'm quite confident of the support from our passionate and strong distribution network that we already have in place pan-India. Together, we have to change the stride and bring the business back to normalcy in times to come. We would also like to reassure you that as a company, we are resilient. Over the course of last 119 years, we have seen and mastered many challenging moments. And we are convinced that we will overcome this one too as a team. Now, as we enter during the last phase of 2020, it can surely set the positive stride for us going forward. Hence, I would urge to each and every single person out there in our distribution network to be available for your customer during this time, to be connected with your customer during this time. Also be connected with the CP team, the regional team members during these times. We need to come out as a solution provider for our customers to maximize our business. My thoughts are with the people affected by COVID-19 and everyone working around the clock to support our customers in need. I wish you and your loved ones good health and strength in the days and weeks and months ahead. At times like these, the worry list for all of us individually can go long. But I'm also convinced that we will get through this if we do not lose our self-confidence and our energy. It is literally in our hands. On the auspicious occasion of Diwali, our team has decided to send you a small token of love and appreciation for whatever support that you have rendered through the past few months. Hope you all find it well and enjoy it with your loved ones. Thanks for your patient listening. Signing off until we meet or e-meet next. Thank you. Also, do remember to wear mask and to carry a bottle of sanitizer whenever you are out in the field at your customer. Thank you very much.